Good afternoon. Uh, my name is Daniel Aman. This activity we have to configure routers, router 1 and router 2, so that this side of the router can communicate to this side of the second router. So what I was supposed to do was to configure default gateways on both the routers, gig 0/0, gig 0/1, and gig 0/2, by showing the delay of the router. We see that in this router 1, gig 0/0 has this default gateway, the second is this, the third is this. So this means that each port of router has default gateway, which can be used by other devices connected to it. And even on the second router, R2, it has default gateways on symbols. So these 10.10.10.2 is for port 1, and this second IP address is for the second default. So this means that these devices connected to this port, they have different gateways. Each has different gateways. And what you were supposed to do, you were supposed to configure this router 1 and router 2 so that PC0 can be PC2 on the same day, because they are at different sides of routers. Means that these networks, this PC2, it is remoted to R1, and even this PC0, it is remoted to R2. So that's why you have to put this network here in the routing table of R1, and this network in the routing table of R2. So that's why we did it, so that PC0 can ping PC2, and I can prove it by pinging, for example, PC2 by pinging PC2. First, I have to ping the default gateway of gig 0/0 on R1, which is 10.10.10.1. All the packets are received where. This means that I have successfully get on default gateway. So let me ping the PC. This PC2 and PC3, their IP address was given by DHCP. So I have to go there and see the IP addresses so that I can ping them. This okay. I can ping them. Ping 172.160.10.2. So I can successfully ping this PC1, PC2. I can successfully ping it. Additionally, we had to configure this computer, this laptop. So we went to configure it, but it is locked. It can't get wireless network without having Ethernet port. So we tried to give it a port. First, we give it a port, but it is locked. It's blocked by the designer. So it is, that's why it is not getting a wireless network. Another thing, we had to configure this DNS server with the domain name that you can use, domain name address. So we have configured it, and the FTP server, I've configured the FTP server so that they can approve the document by using PC0 and download it by using PC3. Thank you very much.